on, guys. Come on. Ethiopia, be very careful. Nigeria, be very careful. Come on, guys. We work together. Let's work together. Thank you so much. Ethiopia, be very careful. Nigeria, be very careful. These two countries, you are going down. Be very careful. Somalia, Kenya, which song do you want? How do you spell that one? A-N-G. A-N-G. Okay, I get it. All right. Now, Kenya.
Unachukuliwa madam so anguka nao itabaki umejua na vibe anguka nao kako single for now taki simeja patikana hadi tena sasita ndo tani wai pin location nikofana na hii ukate call niko chomba ya chini tuwa utakuwa ilizo rizi acha nikushow kwa form ya kitona shikambua na twende chini kwa chini hadi na mimi sasa tunasikiza shenziti tuna feel free kwa video na post pale NCC jina nikante kurap sini talent anguka nao cheki anguka nao twende down low now stand up to your feet mikono juu alafu click uliza pesa alafu one leg anguka nao one leg anguka nao come on anguka nao anguka nao kama uko na nia ukata anguka nayo kuna pati na mtwasa anguka nayo round tuko hii basi anguka nayo ati anguka nayo ati anguka nayo anguka nayo anguka nayo ati anguka nayo ati anguka nayo katika mtu awe bajuka cheza chini kucheza matoka anguka nayo katika mshaitika taki matisho za wataki ama darling tambu serikali tuni serikali tamka asali tunatwa ni nani flow mshati tunga hapo down utakiwa kwa daily minute manasi beba anguka nao anguka naye anguka naye anguka naye anguka naye anguka naye anguka naye Kenyans, be very careful. Kenya and South Sudan. I want you to challenge Somalia because Somalia has 10. Somalia has 10. I want you guys to challenge them. Now, people, I'm going to put a challenge music. Any country that can beat Somalia, I will put a music for you. Any country. Sudan, South Sudan, Kenya, Nigeria, Ethiopia. If you beat Somalia, I will put the music for you. If you can beat Somalia. Now, some people are now giving up.
Let's do this teamwork. Share the live. Let other people know that we are here.
ضروري العدد يكون أعلى من
شو حيكون في الميوت
وانا اقول لك
مو كلام اصلا نبدا الا بس نستغرب قبل ما نستغرب اشارات حاولوا شيء حاولوا اعملوا حاولوا كله حاولوا any country to challenge Somalia I will put the music for you thank you guys we need 15
Somalia korno qaada
watoto wa Kasongo Somalia thank you Keisha
yes
tell them who's
sharab all sharab
this is queen she's a queen pura surata ude any country any country it's only 3 you know 3K Kenya only 4 Ethiopia 9 come on Global lion Keisha come on
Galol samada jiro salkuna warorsay ayan sabakula sho akay masuri
any country
alanka kulana ayan sakata bare akay so samir lahaw tira soka bare
Ali Somalia
darura sakayo سحكني طول من شمالي وفوحة حساني وغوصة سكتت فرارقي تاسو صرفني سفيعي لها على مكاسسة
Somalia
ضرورة سحكني تسحكني طول من شمالي وفوحة حساني وغوصة سكتت فرارقي تاسو صرفني سفيعي لها على مكاسسة
there's no time you have to challenge Somalia you have to challenge Somalia come on it's a challenge people is a challenge music whoever get the highest coin I'll just change the music any country if you beat Somalia I will put the music for you it's a challenge come on
Somalia dadka ay
Keisha, come on! Come on! Come back. Come back. Come on. No country. They are afraid of Somalia. So no country wants to challenge Somalia. Really? It's only 18 and no country. We have 1.1k people watching. People, oh yo. People are saying no. So what are you waiting for? You only have 18. Only 18. And you say no. Now, who can challenge them? Come on. Come on. Anyone.
Let's go. Let's go, my family. Wake up, guys. Just we sleeping like that. It's not.
Come on.
See here. Guys. Wake up.
Anything to help.
I want to see your life type of mind. How will you get him can?
Yes, Tuma ngobe. Yeah, come on, guys. Tuma ngobe. Tuma munge. Come on. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have only 2 minutes. People, you can shout. Open the mute. All of you, open the mute. Shout. You have 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, Ethiopia and Nigeria, be very careful. People tell the strange thing like come on. Let's go, guys. Guys, only 1 minute. Only 1 minute.